6 tips for creating a standout comp card. It goes without saying, casting directors and agents receive thousands of comp cards, which makes it seem impossible to put together a spread that's sure to get noticed. If you want to guarantee yours gets a second glance, it's all about the photos you choose and the design that is used. Here are a few tips for creating the best comp card. Remember, the recipient of yours has likely seen it all. This means they know when they're looking at the best comp card and can spot a nice try from a mile away. On the other hand, casting directors and agents have an eye for cards that shout, "This person's going somewhere." So you'll want to spend some time choosing the right photos and rearranging them in a way that is both unique and appropriate. When it comes to getting your photos taken to ensure you've got the best comp card, work with a professional who knows the industry. This is super important. Scheduling a shoot with a well-known artist who has zero experience in creating shots for comp cards is risky. You can ask others in the industry for recommendations, or you can do your own research online to see who the top entertainment photographers are in your area. After the shoot, you'll probably have a ton of quality images to choose from. So many that it may be difficult to determine which ones you want displayed. While this is a great problem to have, and much more desirable than the reverse, you'll want to choose quality over quantity to create the best comp card. You don't want to overwhelm anyone who's taking a look at your submission, and using a design that includes too many photos will only make it look busy and messy. In selecting your photos, you'll also want to make sure you show off some range. If you were able to find an experienced entertainment photographer, this person likely ensured that you were supplied enough looks to do just that. Those who understand entertainment submissions understand the importance of diversifying your look to show range and create the best comp card. If you're going to be doing any printing, you'll want to use a quality cardstock so you're handing out a professionally designed business card of sorts. Plus, images don't print well on regular printer paper. The colors tend to get distorted, and the shots can be hard to make out. You'll likely want to use a professional printing service to ensure the job is done right and you have the best comp card. This will save time and money in the long run. As far as including social media handles on your cards, casting directors and agents tend to visit profiles, and you'll save them the step of trying to find the sites themselves. This means, of course, that you'll want to ensure yours is up to par. If they're professional enough, along with having created the best comp card, this is a great way to display all of those extra standout images. Now that you know what you need, give it a go so you can start getting booked. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.